one of the neat things about recycling old stuff, and this is an old door. It's a sliding door. It was on these hangers, so it's like a barn door. It slid on this track, so the wheels would go on that track and slide up and down. But the neat thing about it is, I always wondered why they made them in these little panels. And I think I figured it out. It's because they want to hide all these nails, so they don't have any exposed nail heads anywhere on this door. And they do that by hammering these things over in little sections. And that's done to keep that so it doesn't, create a bunch of air bubbles behind it. It looks sloppy. But it ends up with this last little piece up at the top, which I kind of peeled apart, and it has these nails hidden under the fold. And then when you take that off, it's all folded up, so all these seams are double hung, or double bent, so they fold over each other, and then you just put them on. From the bottom one, you put this one on, and then bend it up and fold it into place. I'm supposing that getting that last one into place is a bit of a trick, but it's amazing to see, what they did many years ago to make this door metal clad without, using factory type machines. I think it's just fascinating. And I'm going to reuse these, the hardware and stuff, either on the outside of my barn, putting the barn door on, or inside the house for closet door. Alright, I'm just finishing up tearing this door apart, and this is one of the pieces to it, and I just can't pick it up in this, but it says Jenkins. It's signed right there, and if you get in the right light you can see it. There we go, that looks okay. Jenkins. And I suppose he signed this because this is kind of a piece of work. All the outsides get folded up like a present, and then the inside is layered on top of that. But it starts out with one side, vertical, and the other side at a 45. So this is 2 layers of wood. They're nailed together, and it is just an amazing piece of work what went into making this door way back when.